Namaskar, bachcho. So, in contemporary artist, now I am going to discuss about Pandit Ratan Mohan Sharma, who is a Tarana singer of today, fastest Tarana singer of today. So, he has been honored this title, Badshah-e Tarana. So we are going to discuss it now. Date of birth और place में है he पंडित रतन मोहन शर्मा. He is born on 14th June 1971 in Nagaur district of Rajasthan. इनके फादर का नाम है श्री मोहन लाल शर्मा एंड श्रीमती पद्मा शर्मा इनकी मदर का नाम है. He is the world's fastest Tarana singer who has received international recognition of today and holds prominent place in the field of Indian classical music. So he is the disciple of Pandit Jasraj, and he is also the nephew of Pandit Jasraj. So he belongs to Mewati Gharana. Pandit Ratan Mohan Sharma is proficient in various styles of Indian music such as Khyal, Tarana, Tappa, Bhajan, Haveli Sangeet. This is very new. Though it's the old one, but majority people don't know about this Haveli Sangeet and Rajasthani folk songs. So he is proficient in all these various styles, and his voice reflects a beautiful shade of spirituality and touches everyone's heart through his beautiful singing. He has great command on the rhythm, and Pandit Sharma used to sing the main piece of song Mehbooba, that is from Sholay movie. So at a very astonishing speed. After listening to it, Pandit Jasraj suggested him to use it in Tarana. Earlier, he didn't pay heed to this Tarana much, but after his guru's advice, he started this fastest thing in practicing Tarana. And this innovative approach earned him prestigious award of Badshah-e Tarana in Hyderabad. So he is considered as a A-grade artist of All India Radio also. Pandit Sharma received training in Haveli Sangeet from Pandit Jasraj, and he has always been promoting this thing and encouraging. His favorite composition of Haveli Sangeet is Mai Moro Man Mohyo Sanvare Mohe Ghar Angna Na Suhave Mai. While working in Mumbai, now we are going to discuss about his performances and contributions. So while working in Mumbai, Pandit Sharma began his solo performance with Gayatri Mantra as suggested by Pandit Jasraj. So Pandit ji has always deep passion for Sanskrit language and enjoys reciting shlokas and mantras. So his album Gayatri Mantra is heading towards Guinness Book of Records for the highest sale of any album in the world. Here, this is the very biggest achievement, to get this nominated or to get this entered in Guinness Book of World Record. And then we are going to discuss about his contributions. In this you will write, he is the founder of Pandit Jasraj School of Music Foundation in Mumbai, and also a member of faculty at Pandit Jasraj School of Music Education Music Foundation, Tampa, Florida. It is in USA. So he is earning name worldwide through his performances and workshops and concerts. Wherever he performs in Pandit Moti Ram, Pandit Mani Ram Music Festival organized by Pandit Jasraj. And apart from this, he performs in conferences also, like Savai Gandharv Sammelan, Harvallabh Sangeet Sammelan Jalandhar, and then Tansen Festival Samaroh or Tansen Sangeet Samaroh. And then Pandit Sharma has numerous disciples all over the world, and he is passing on his legacy to his son Swar Sharma, and had the privilege of starting music from the legendary Pandit Jasraj. So Pandit ji famous religious albums are, so these are the famous religious albums which he has contributed to the society: Hanuman Chalisa, Hanuman Dhun, Shiv Dhun, Mere Bhagwan, Sankat Mochan, then Navagrah Shakti, Dharohar. He has also given playback singing in the film Dashavatar, which was released in 2009. And now we are going to discuss about his awards that he got. Shankar Rao Vyas Award he got, Pandit Jasraj Rotating Trophy he got, then Mewati Gharana Gaurav Award he has got, then Sur Ratna, Sur Mani, these are the awards. Then Rajasthan Gaurav Award he got, Badshahe Tarana in 2012 he got, then he received Kala Sarthi Award, Marwad Ratna by King of Jodhpur in 2022. And last but not the least, Pandit Shiv Kumar Sharma Award he got in 2022. So this is all about, we have discussed about Pandit Ratan Mohan Sharma, Tarana singer, and who has been honored with the title Badshahe Tarana. And learn it well for 6 marks, and God bless you all.